This is a wool and sisal sample. The left side was treated with RCI Pure Armor Protector. The right-hand side was not treated. You can see how that wine blots out pretty easily out of the left-hand side. In the right-hand side, there is a stain. Now that stain's going to be permanent, but we can try to get that out with an enzymatic cleaner. We're going to call this the RCI Instazyme Cleaner, and you can already see the enzyme working away, and it's already starting to lighten it. And what we're going to do is just do a second application. We're not even going to leave it on there that long. It'll start to work as it dries. And remember, bast fiber, we want to dry very, very fast, so we're going to speed it up with a hair dryer. And look at that. You can see that it's all been removed. So just remember, this is a good rug if it's protected and you also have the right cleaning chemistry. So remember, New Dimension Cleaning and RCI Real Cleaning Innovations.